Hi guys, welcome to Science Speaking. Today, I am going to be showing you how to make a zombie tease machine. So let's get started. Okay. So, first, you've got to, if you're on a mountain, just in case I break anything, I'm gonna have this. Let's just make I think this line didn't do. Does that look good? Yep. Sure does. Okay. Let's just spawn in a villager. So we're ready. Let's not now. Don't go. Get away. Get away. Stop. No. Okay, that definitely didn't work. Okay, everything is running after that villager. I wouldn't have thought it was that chaotic. Okay, poor villager. Nah, I think this is. Okay. We have got to do this as well. You can do it with you can surround this with your block of choice, but I think polished diorite looks pretty good. So now we have got our part one complete. Should look like that now. So what we do, needs to be here. Needs to be a 2-block gap. Get our stone out. Just place that down. 2. Just fixing this. Oh. Okay, so it should actually look like that. And now we put our doors outdoors. Yes. You might be wondering what we're going to do with them. Well, nope. Used to be. Nope. Nope. No. So hard to get this. Yes, there. I get this. And so when the zombies try to get it, it just slams the door on them. This might take a while, but you can do it. You can see. One, two. Just 1 second, guys. One, two. This might be a bit awkward, but we have to. So it actually should look like that. Ooh. Now let's continue. There we go. Okay. And now we do this. And now we do this. No. There we go. Now we are going to put this. And now this. Is that it? Yes. Okay. Okay, there's 2 more, guys. Don't worry. Okay. So now, this is the last one. There you go. Now, very last one. Okay. So now we've got our zombie teaser machine. Now, there can't be a zombie teaser machine without a villager. Now let's slash time set midnight. Okay. Okay, so now we spawn in our zombies. The zombies can't get in because the doors keep slamming on them when they stand on the pressure plates. And that is all for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and put the comments on all and ring the notification bell. See you in the next one.